Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase app on your Android device. Watch the tutorial video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinbase application on your Android device, tap open your Play Store. Make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. And now, go to the search box at the top and type in Coinbase in the search box. Perform your search and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page at the very top. If you tap on the app, you'll be able to see further information about the app. To quickly download the application, tap the install button in green. Now, wait until the app gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet. Coinbase application allows you to securely buy, hold and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and many more. Once the application gets downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that way you'll be able to download Coinbase application for your Android device. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.